Frontenac stations 1 and 2, Monday test page, testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, test complete. Set Frontenac stations 3 and 4, Monday test page, testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, test complete. Also a reminder, training this evening, 1700 hours at Station 4. I say again, that's training at 1700 hours at Station 4. Set Frontenac stations 5 and 6, Monday test page, testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, test complete. Frontenac stations 7, 8, and 9, Monday test page, testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, test complete. Frontenac stations 7, 8, and 9, Monday test page, testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, test complete. Station, Monday test page, testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, test complete.